Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be cleaning my kitchen. I definitely could not sleep this night, so I decided, hey, why not clean the kitchen so that it's nice and clean before I leave on vacation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by cleaning up the trash can. If you watch any of my other videos, you know that that's where I like to start because I am going to be emptying the trash and then putting a new trash bag in. So I just want to make sure I start with the trash by cleaning it and also disinfecting it. I'm using my favorite method, grapefruit cleaner. I just had a little bit extra, so I put it in a separate container, but that is what you see inside of that separate nozzle. That's what I like to use to clean, and then I just disinfect by using a Clorox wipe. So to clean anything, I like to go from top to bottom. So I am going to start cleaning the wood surfaces in my kitchen. A lot of people forget to clean their kitchen cabinets, and it's super important. I'm using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, which it cleans and it also picks up dust in the almond scent. I've always mentioned this product because I just really do love the smell, and it helps to clean grease. You know, it leaves a light shine, but not too shiny where it's like you can tell where if you've missed a spot, but it does such a great job. I really do love this product. It's so good for polishing your counters, and it's just a very light. Okay, so since we're going from top to bottom, we did the counters and I collected all the dust and any cobwebs, because cobwebs do form on top of your countertop and also above your refrigerator sometimes. I am cleaning the backsplash just again with my surface cleaner, the Method Pink Grapefruit. It's so good, it just picks up the dirt real quick, and I'm just using a paper towel to clean that up, and then I'll start on the countertops. For the countertops, I'm using the Daily Granite Cleaner. Again, another Method product. Obviously, you guys can tell that I do love Method. But this one is really good. So my countertops collect a lot of grease when I'm cooking and then I'm placing things on them. They do get really greasy. So I want to make sure that I am cleaning them and picking up any dirt that's left behind. I use this one at the end of the day because I don't like to use it a lot, just when I'm trying to leave a nice buff and shine. And this is that product to use because you just spray it on the soft cloth and then you wipe it in a circular motion and then you just buff it dry. So it leaves a nice shine and it's not thick at all. I think a lot of people forget to clean the top of their refrigerator, and I am also one of those people, but it is so gross up there. I mean, there is just dirt and stickiness from when you cook. It just really gets nasty. So it's just one thing to kind of remember is when you're cleaning from top to bottom is that you're getting on top of your refrigerator. Alright guys, cabinets and countertops are clean. I am going to be using the white vinegar for the microwave, and I am going to be using my Method heavy duty degreaser for my stove top. So this helps to clean off any grease, burnt on messes, any splatters left behind. And to be honest, my first try, I did not like it. I thought it was too oily. And then I revisited it because I think that what happened, I just didn't use it the right way. When you read the instructions, it really helps. But you spray it down, you leave it for a couple minutes if it's like a long splatter that you have. And then all you have to do is wipe it clean. And it honestly did actually wipe it, and it was not streaky, which I love. While that sits, I'm going back to my microwave where I had 1 cup of water, 1 cup of the distilled white vinegar in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can do up to 5 to 10 minutes, and then it just left a nice steam in there. It helps to pick up grime that is left behind, and it's an easy wipe from there. This is honestly a great stainless steel cleaner and polish. You just have to make sure that you shake it well, and make sure that not all stainless steel are the same. So make sure that you're just testing one spot before you use it. You just spray, wipe, and then you buff it. It's really easy. Just follow the instructions and you will get that streaky free look. And it removes, residue from grease or fingerprints. And if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. For my glass, I'm using a glass and surface cleaner, again from Method. I did not show this product because although I do like the smell of it, I don't like the streakiness that it does leave behind. So sorry, Method, but I just had to be honest. It just does not work well with me. I guess in my bathrooms, I do not like it. For areas where you can't really see streaks and it's a glass surface, maybe it's good for that area, but just not for me. Alright, so I'm revisiting my stovetop because I had been leaving that to sit for a little bit, and now I am just going to wipe off any of the product left behind, and it all came up so fast. It was so good, and it left that shine, which was so awesome. So this is definitely a product that I will be using again. I like that it just picks up any grease. After rinsing off the stovetop racks, I guess you call them, I washed them and now I am drying them before I place them back on my stovetop. And since there's no more dishes, I am just going to clean my sink again with the baking soda. I don't know actually if you guys can see, but I do have a piece of lemon in there that I'm just squeezing down some of the juice into the disposal because I do not want it to smell. And this is a very natural way just to clean your sink. It leaves a nice polish, and don't forget to dry your sink. If you dry your sink, it leaves a nice shine. this is gonna sound really weird, but I do like sweeping the floor. I like seeing all that dirt just come together, and it's like, I'm cleaning for a reason. So that's what I'm doing. I absolutely love this broom, and it's from Libman, I believe the brand is, and I got it at Target. And I love the way that the brush is angled. It helps to pick up the dirt so much faster and all the trash, whereas if you just have like a straight broom, I guess it doesn't pick up the same. I don't know, there's some technology to it, but I do love this broom. It sweeps really well, it's thin, and it's quick in its movement. For my floors, I usually use my Cedar mop, and I love that mop, but today I just kind of want to go a little bit quicker, and I decided to use my Swiffer Wet Jet. I totally regret it because my Swiffer Wet Jet was broken, so I had to squirt the liquid on the floor and then clean it up that way. It still picked up a lot. I did see the bottom of the pad, it was pretty black. I had to change it a couple times. So it did do a good job on picking up, but I just don't think that the Swiffer Wet Jet is a good product to use on my tile floors. It did do a good job, just not the best. And I do love the smell, however. The smell that it leaves is really great. The best feeling is when you're putting everything back to its place and you look around and it just looks so great and it's starting to look clean and you feel like all that you've done is worth it. So this is how I usually clean my kitchen when I'm doing a more deep cleaning. I'll even tackle the refrigerator and also the oven, but I had just cleaned both of these appliances earlier to this video, and so I did not do this. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting me. I hope that you guys found some useful tips in this video and that you stick around, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up.